Hello everyone, to use auto broadcast in NSCaster, select auto broadcast here. This is the interface. So to use auto broadcast, make sure it is connected to the NSCaster. Right here. Inside here, you can create a new list or import your own list. Export the list. So to start, first you can add your own devices. Select the video source and audio source. You can also add video. Select the video you want. Besides that, you can add your channel. Select the channel you want. For example, channel 9, which is DDR1. Then select the duration you want it to play. After that, click OK. You can change the setting by clicking the Modify button. You can also change the arrangement by clicking Move Up and Move Down. To preview your video, click on the Video Preview. Besides the video and channel, you can add your CG into auto broadcast. Select the CG you want. Select the play mode. You can play it by order or timing. For timing, select the time you want. And the duration. After that, click OK. Click Modify to edit. You can check your log at here. Save your report to the directory you want. And also the daily list. To start, click the Start button. So the video will be played on BGM channel. And it will change to green color when it's success. You can check your log for details. So for the CG, just now we set at 15:02. So when the time reach, it will play the CG on the BGM channel. So after the duration, we'll close the CG. To skip the video, you can select the video you want and click redirection. So now the BGM channel will change to the channel you set. To stop auto broadcast, click on the Stop button. To delete the file, select it and click Delete. You can also check for updates here. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.